In our first lesson, we discovered that Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency. But how exactly does it work? Why can it be trusted without banks and governments? Today we will explore what blockchain is and how transactions are stored within it, who miners are and why they are essential, how Bitcoin is protected from counterfeiting and hacking. Blockchain is a series of blocks, where each block contains a list of transactions, who transferred BTC to whom, a hash, a unique digital fingerprint of the previous block, a complex mathematical puzzle for miners to solve. A simple analogy: imagine a book where each new page contains records of money transfers, has a link to the previous page, cannot be torn out or faked without ruining the entire book. Miners are network participants who validate transactions, confirm the sender indeed has BTC, collect transactions into blocks, around 2,000 to 3,000 operations in one block. Solve cryptographic puzzles, find the hash through trial and error. How mining works. Miners compete. Whoever finds the right hash first wins. They use powerful computers, ASICs, GPUs, to do this. The winner earns a reward in BTC, currently 6.25 BTC per block. After the 2024 halving, it will be 3.125 BTC. For example, Alice sends Bob 0.1 BTC. Miners verify if Alice has these funds. The transaction is added to a block. The block is added to the blockchain. The system is secured by proof of work, POW. Adding a block requires solving a complex puzzle. This needs enormous computing power. Decentralization: even if part of the network is attacked, other nodes will reject fake blocks. Cryptography: transaction signatures are based on math, ECDSA, not trust in a bank. What if one tries to tamper with a transaction? To change one block, all subsequent blocks must be recalculated, requiring unrealistic power. A 51% attack, where one group controls more than half of the network, is theoretically possible but practically improbable for Bitcoin. Term explanation: hash, a unique fingerprint of data, e.g. 00000000034A7DDF4A161FAO5822D67A173A95F3A2E6FC132EOEBF. Network difficulty automatically adjusted to ensure blocks are found every 10 minutes. Node: a computer that stores a copy of the blockchain and verifies transactions. Mempool: queue of unconfirmed transactions. 1. How much energy does Bitcoin consume? Yes, mining consumes a lot of electricity, like entire countries. However, some miners use green energy, hydropower, solar power. The traditional banking system also consumes resources: offices, servers, money, transportation. 2. Who pays the miners? Currently, block reward 6.5 BTs plus users' fees. In the future, after the year 2140, miners will rely solely on transaction fees. 3. Can you mine Bitcoin on a home PC? No, this is now done only by specialized farms. However, you can mine other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum on GPUs. Check the current mempool size. Visit mempool.space. Find the latest mined block, its hash and number of transactions. Calculate. How much BTC miners receive per day? 1 block equals 10 minutes, 144 blocks day, 144 times 6.5 equals. Blockchain is a chain of transaction blocks that cannot be altered. Miners validate transactions and earn BTC. Bitcoin is protected by cryptography and decentralization. In the next lesson, we'll delve into wallets and addresses, how to store BTC securely.